Hey guys, welcome to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. I'm Jerry. Hey, got my new battery in this four-wheeler, so that is ready. I think now I'm going to get one of my motors ready for this feeder I'm going to set up back here. Let's go. I'll just get this one here. It was right on top. You know, I actually wanted to clean this thing up at the end of the season, but you know how that goes. I just never got around to it. So you can see it is just filthy. A lot of that is corn residue. A lot of it is where deer just like to lick on it. Alright, so let me get some stuff. We'll clean this thing up first. Alright, all I've got is very simple. Some paper towels, a brush, some clean water, and some Dawn. This power wash. Of course, I make my own now. But anyway, I think I'm just going to get this thing wet a little bit. Don't want to soak it too much, and just sort of like that, you know. All right, let's give it a little shot of this. All right, we'll let that set for a minute. This one has the electrical thing on it that is supposed to keep varmints away. It doesn't work. All right, let's let that soak a minute. I'm not putting a full pressure on it because you know, it's supposedly waterproof, but you know, you can't never tell. Yeah, get in there like that. Still got a little crud up under there. But it doesn't matter, you know, within a day it'll be the same way. Now it's really slick. There we go. All right, let's let it dry out a little bit. I think right now I'm gonna go hook up my trailer to this four-wheeler and go ahead and take the actual feeder to where I want to put it. There's no wasp nest under there. we'll pick this up when we come back. What you think?
I think it's a good spot.
Yep. We'll be able to put our camera right on that tree. It's going to be close, but I want to get some close up. I'm actually going to put 2 cameras on it this time, I think. All right. Let's head on back.
All right.
You know, it's pretty exciting that we saw that little 8-pointer back there before I even get anything back there. All right, so I think this thing is still going. I'm putting a double charge on the battery it goes into it, and I'll probably take 2 as we go. But let's go get our cameras ready now. All right, I've got a charged battery. If you remember last year, I had a lot of problems with batteries. We'll give this thing a test here. See if it is still working. And if I remember ready, you push the test and the P button twice. Let's see if this thing works. And see if I remember how to do it. Let's see. All right, it's working. All right, so now I'll go do those cameras. All right, I've got my cameras here. I'm just going to set them up quickly. I've got, which I just bought this one here. It's a Spy Point Force 24. They had them on sale at Tractor Supply for 39 bucks. And this one right here, this is just a cheap Amazon one. I think I gave probably 40 bucks for his as well. They both do video. So let me just program these and we'll head back and we'll get some corn in the feeder and get these cameras set up and we'll see what we got back there. I'm gonna move this four-wheeler and then we'll test it. Well, did you see that?
Yes, I did. It's working.
And the battery wasn't dead. Yay. All right, let's set up some cameras now. Thank you. Yeah. That is poison oak. Okay, so feeder set up, both cameras are rolling. So if we catch anything, I'll show it to you coming right up. Well, as you just saw, we had a huge lightning bomb hit over here yesterday. And I have found what it hit. So I'm gonna show Mel. She just got in from work. And here we go. Right over there's our house. So this was very, very close. Well, what do you think?
Well, this is crazy. That's a little too close to the house, too close for comfort, but looks like we may have a lot of good firewood.
Yep. You can just see where the lightning, when it hit it, it just stripped this bark. Up here too.
Like splintered it.
I did. I thought it was a bomb had went off. It was so loud and everything shook.
Well, that was crazy, but it looks like we'll at least have good firewood for the winter. Now let's take a look and see what's on those trail cams.